how to change your voice in Instagram call. So basically, we'll just be giving you the options you possibly could do to make this possible, since during calls in Instagram, there's no actual voice changer or anything similar. And if you're thinking there's an overlay app as well, then currently it's not possible. The only apps that exist is that you put your voice in and then it plays out, but it doesn't actually output to whoever you're calling to. So this is also not possible. There are no such third-party apps that overlays your voice. So no official way and no reliable third-party app that can process your microphone in real time and overlay a voice filter while you're on an Instagram voice or video call. So you could use a laptop or a computer, since of course there are voice changers that does change your voice live. In your laptop you could use a emulator and use Instagram from there. But if you only have your phone or mobile device, then one of your other options is by using external devices. You could research on external devices as well, since there are lots of available devices that could um, give you a voice changer. So just go to a shop or anything and look for an external voice changer for a mobile device, and it should be something like this, where there are a few options that could change your voice, and this should be able to output your voice to whoever you're calling to in a different voice. But that is pretty much the limits you have for voice changing in Instagram calls. So hopefully the information of this video can help you in a way, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.